Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements with the big group. Good morning, Joya.
Morning, Mr. Martinez, Taylor, Rafferty, and Luca.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
everybody.
everybody.
So we have two special guests, two special bingo guests with us today. We've got Taylor and we've got Rafferty with us. We're going to meet them in a little bit. But guys, I have a brand new flag, and this is a pretty unique one. Check this flag out today. This comes to us fourth grade from Dylan. He put that together and sent us that. Taylor, lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Oh, thank you, Taylor. And a big shout out to Dylan. Dylan's in the fourth grade, sent that in. I do get emails all the time from people that sent flags. And remember, we got so many flags that if yours hasn't been shown, you just have to be patient. It's coming, I promise you. We've got a lot of them left, and we're going to get to them every single day. We try to put a brand new flag up. Guys, today is Friday. It's January 29th. This is the last day of January, last school day of January. When we return on Monday, we'll be in a brand new month. We've got highs in the low 50s. It rained yesterday, finally, right? Let's hear it for the rain. Give me some love there, guys. Woohoo!
I think it's sprinkling at my house.
It's sprinkling this morning.
Yeah,
Cloudy.
same for me.
Absolutely. Guys, let's meet our two special guests. Remember, we had that bingo game back in December. We had a lot of winners. We've got Taylor and Rafferty. Joya, help us with getting to know Taylor.
Hey, Taylor, can you tell everyone your favorite hobby, movie, and pizza topping?
Okay, my favorite hobby is learning about animals, and my favorite movie is called Call of the Wild, and my favorite pizza topping is olives.
I like Call of the Wild too.
Yeah. Rafferty, you like olives on your pizza? No, Luca, what about you, Luca?
I'm fine with them. My brother really likes them.
Okay, very good. Luca, help us get to know Rafferty a little bit better.
Yeah. So Rafferty, what's your favorite hobby, movie, and pizza topping?
Well, my favorite pizza topping is pepperoni. My favorite movie is White Men Can't Jump. It's about basketball, and my favorite hobby is basketball.
We could tell you like basketball, Rafferty. Who's your favorite basketball team?
Kobe.
Oh,
Yeah, that's not a
your favorite player
basketball
is
team,
Kobe?
but yeah.
Very good.
The Clippers and the I forgot what they're called.
Lakers?
Yes.
Okay. We lost the game last night, unfortunately, guys. We lost like 2 losses in a row, but we played the Boston on Saturday. Guys, well, we love. Who else likes pepperoni? I know I do. Anybody else like pepperoni on their pizza?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, very good. Listen, guys, on Monday we're gonna have another bingo winner, and I believe the bingo winner, Taylor, is coming from your class. Who is it?
It's Chloe S.
Chloe S. So Chloe, I will be emailing your family on Sunday. We look forward to having you with us on Monday morning. Today's Friday, and every Friday we have Luca's Laudable Laughs. Luca, you got some new stuff to share with us today?
Yes, I do as always. So, the prompt from last week was, what was your favorite part of the 2020 inauguration? And we've had a lot of submissions this week, and I'm just gonna share a few. Okay. This is Sejal right here, and he says that his favorite part is listening to Amanda Gordon's poem. That was a very, very spectacular moment. A lot of people actually submitted these images.
I'll be honest with you. I probably heard more Amanda Gorman favorite moments than anything else from the inauguration. That's for sure.
Yeah. This is Isaiah, of course.
Isaiah's back. Let's see what he's got.
He's just got this. He says, my favorite part of the inauguration was Jennifer Lopez singing "This Land Is Your Land."
Oh yeah, You can never go wrong with J-Lo. She did a great job. Lady Gaga also, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic.
And this is Nicholas. He has his he wrote a Google Doc. He says, my favorite part of the inauguration was Joe Biden being sworn in. I was also excited that we finally got a new president. I also liked it when Amanda Gorman recited her poem because it was inspirational, because when she was young, she used to stutter.
That's right. And she overcame that, right? Really nice, Nicholas. Thank you, Nicholas.
Now, this is Sawyer, I think from the 2nd grade. And in here, he says, my favorite part was when the president gave his speech.
Very good. Thank you, Sawyer.
This is Emmy right here. She also did a document. Oh, no, this is, hold on.
Looks like that one keeps going back to Sawyer.
Yeah.
That link. Emmy, we apologize about that, but
When I was setting the links, I must have did the other one for these two.
no worries.
Apologize.
Thank you for sending that in, Emmy.
This is Eleanor, and she says, my favorite part of the inauguration was when J-Lo sang.
Okay, double J-Lo, J-Lo. All right.
That's all, folks. Sorry, Emmy. I got that wrong.
Thank you for that, Luca. Hey, Rafferty, or actually, let's start with Taylor. Taylor, did you have a favorite moment from the inauguration?
Yeah, I like what lots of people said when Amanda Gorman did her poem, The Hill We Climb.
Yeah, she was amazing. Remember, she's right here from Los Angeles. I think she's only, what, 22, Joya? Does that sound about right? She's super.
I'm not sure, but yeah, I think she was the youngest person to recite the inaugural poem.
Exactly. All right, very good. Luca, you got a question for Rafferty?
Hey, Rafferty, what was your favorite moment from the inauguration?
Well, my favorite bit was when in Biden's speech, he didn't mention Trump, but he focused on how we can fix what's broken in America.
Excellent. Yeah, I really appreciate that too. He didn't stoop to a low level. He kept the focus on the future and what we can all do to rebuild the country. I agree with you, Rafferty. Thanks so much for sharing that. Guys, today is Friday, and every Friday, we have a Unity Fair family video. We've got a brand new video today, and this one is actually sent in from one of our teachers. This is Mrs. Kukawka, and she talks about her connection to Israel. Here is that video now.
Hi, this is Mrs. Kukawka. I'm a 1st grade teacher at Carpenter Community Charter, and I want to bring you a little bit of Israel, since I'm married to an Israeli, and I've been dancing for decades. Here we go. There are a lot of Israelis in Los Angeles, and we folk dance all year long when there isn't COVID.
All right, that was sent in from Mrs. Kukawka playing some Israeli music for us. Guys, you know, one thing that you don't hear a whole lot of, because we know we have our first female vice president, her husband, Doug Emhoff, is Jewish. He is the first either first lady or first gentleman or president or vice president to be Jewish ever to be in the White House or in the vice presidency. So that's a first there also. Big shout out to Mrs. Kukawka for sending that in today. We really appreciate it. We look forward to those videos every week. Luca, what'd you think about the video? Nope, can't hear you there.
Luca.
Sorry, I muted. I really enjoyed the music. You know, it was very nice. Some of my family came from the Middle East, so you know, it's nice to hear about people learning about that.
And their roots, absolutely. Very good. Guys, we have, and Luca's going to put up his new Laudable Lab, so it'll be up on Sunday. Make sure you go to the website and check that out. But now it's time for our words of wisdom. Everybody ready for the words of wisdom?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Boys and girls, do you know what it means to be a good friend? In a children's book called Making Friends, we can learn more about being a friend. The book tells us that
Being friends is all about sharing sad times and happy times and helping each other grow in many different ways.
That's true. Friends share. Friends care about each other. They also discover new things together. They learn together.
School is the best place in the world to make friends, to find someone to learn with and grow with.
Reach out to somebody you don't know very well. Who knows? That person might become your best friend.
that's right. With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joanne.
And Luca.
Taylor.
Rafferty.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Guys, we really enjoyed having you on. Taylor, do you have any shout outs before we sign off?
I would like to shout out to Miss Mora and Mr. Mahia.
Awesome. Woo woo. And Rafferty, any shout outs?
Yes. My friend Nate and Miss Fitzgerald.
Okay, very nice. Guys, have a great day of school today. Remember, today's Friday. We will see everybody back. Chloe will be with us on Monday morning. Have a great weekend and enjoy the weekend, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.